Good morning, children. Hope you all are fine. Okay, we started which chapter? Computer viruses. That is a new chapter. Okay. So, what is a computer viruses? All of you take page number 102. What is a computer viruses? Computer virus is a Yes, it's a software program which is designed to interrupt the normal operation of a computer and make the computer perform undesired actions. That is the definition for a computer virus. Everybody learn, no study. What's a computer virus? It is a software program that is designed to interrupt the normal operation of a computer and make the computer perform undesired action. So, full form of viruses also we learn. Viruses means vital information resource under siege. That also we learn. Okay. Next we are going to learn about what are the harmful effects. What are the harmful effects of viruses? It will format the hard disk. So it will destroy all the data which is present in the hard disk. So it will destroy the hard disk. Next it will rename all the files. So we will be confused. If it is renaming all the files, we will be confused. Okay. So next, slow down the system. That means when the virus is infected system means it will use the storage memory and memory storage. So it is so that you slow down the system working. Okay, these are the harmful effects. Then what are the symptoms? Symptoms also you can see when the virus is getting entered means the symptoms also you can see. Next is how it is spreading from one computer to another. How it is spreading through the CD or DVD, pen drive, through the internet, through the email attachment. These are the ways of spreading what computer viruses. Next we are going to learn what are the types of computer viruses. What are the types of computer viruses? Children, next we are going to learn what are the types of computer virus that I think 4 types you already learned in the previous class. Once again I am revising that. So types of computer viruses. So our computer viruses categorized based on their origin, then the technique that means infection targets, based on all these things, the type of harm they cause to the computer, based on all these things, computer viruses are categorized. Okay. Next we are going to learn the types of computer viruses. First one is boot sector viruses. We already discussed, so I am just again revising. Boot sector viruses. What do you mean by boot sector viruses? Boot sector viruses will infect the boot sector of a hard disk. What's the meaning of that? In the boot sector, it is the place where startup instruction for the computer system to load operating system into the computer memory is stored. So, where in the boot sector, the startup instruction is stored for what? In order to load the operating system into the computer memory. So, it will infect this part itself. Boot sector part itself means your startup instruction is going to be destroyed, then you cannot start the computer. So, startup instruction where it is stored? It is stored in the boot sector of a hard disk. So, it will boot sector parts itself infected means it will destroy the startup instruction and you cannot start the computer. That's the meaning. Okay. So examples are, you want to learn some examples also. Poly boot B, then Danish boot. At least 2 examples you want to learn for each viruses. Okay. So next virus we are going to learn is program viruses. Which one? Program viruses. So what do you mean by program viruses? It will the name it is saying that it will infect the programs, program files, like some executable program files like what and all. We can say that xys dot scr exe. These are the executable files. So what will, after infecting this executable files, the viruses will become active and your files is going to be destroyed. So that is the effect of this program viruses when it is infecting this program virus, where program files, where you can see mainly in the C drive, hard disk. Okay, C drive of hard disk. So like .cys, .exe, these are the executable files. So it will infect the executable files. So after infecting, this viruses will become active. So that what happened, your files is going to be destroyed. What are the examples of program viruses? Examples are Sunday. Okay. Second example is Cascade. So there at least 2 examples you want to learn. Okay. So next viruses, children. Next we are going to learn macro viruses. Okay. Macro viruses. What do you mean by macro viruses? Macro viruses will infect the data files. Okay, what are the data files? Word, Excel, okay, Access. All these are what? Data files. So it will infect which files? Word, Access, Excel, etc. Okay. So what will become after infecting all this macro virus to the data files? Data files will become unreadable format. Okay. Examples are, what are the examples of macro virus? Examples are Flipper, then Melissa, then second example is WM, like concept A. These are the examples of macro viruses. Next we are going to learn the fourth viruses, that is what? Stealth viruses. Okay, stealth viruses. Okay, what do you mean by stealth viruses? Stealth viruses will hide its presence in the computer system, such as hiding the change in date and time, and also hiding the increase in file size. Okay, so this way it will hide its presence. How? Hiding the change in date and time and hiding the increase in the file size. So so these are the stealth virus. Okay, stealth virus example. What are the stealth virus examples? Examples are Joshi and Wei. So it will hide its presence. Okay. So how? By hiding the change in time and date, and also hiding the file size, increasing the file size. Examples are Joshi, Wei. So next we are going to learn the viruses, that is multi-parted virus. Multi-parted viruses. Okay, multi-parted viruses will infect both the data file as well as executable files. Okay, both which will infect. Then what will happen? Your data files also will be destroyed, and also your executable file also going to be destroyed. So examples of multi-parted virus. Examples are Flip and Tekula. So these are the examples of multi-parted virus. So today we have learned what and all? Boot sector viruses, program viruses, stealth viruses, then multi-parted viruses, and last one is macro viruses. So thank you, children.